Friends, running kimono, and this is my $40 haul today over at Walgreens, and this was a $12 money maker today. So the sleepy week that we were like, it is amazing and it is on. So if you can line this deal exactly like I did, it's super easy. Some amazing stuff to be had and found. And then I also had to pick up the all in a separate transaction, and then I picked up some clearance cleaner, still finding that. And then the last couple of days on and off over at Walmart, I really don't go out there very much, but lately I have, because I had a couple deals that were lining up to get some of this stuff for like, basically everything here is free. And it's super easy, so I will jog you through that as well. We have Daisy right there. And the weather report for you guys, well, yesterday I could not get out to the Dollar General because it was snow squalling, awful weather, awful conditions, and we have quite a bit of snow, so it's been just kind of crazy. Yeah, lots of snow. Look how thick that is. So yeah, if you are in the Midwest and if you have to take a day off from shopping, that was yesterday for me. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about is a $40 basket. So what I did was I put 3 separate deals together that amounted to like just under $41 and some change, and it just turned out really well. So I had a paper booster of spend 40, get back 9, plus a digital of spend 20, get back 5, and those two did in fact stack to give me back $14. So the first little deal we're going to talk about is the Dove. These are on a buy one get one 50% off hand sanitizer, soap, that good stuff. So these are $4.99, BOGO 50% off, so 3 of them is $12.47. We have a 3 off of 3 digital coupon, and then $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. And then Fetch Rewards also has $1 back for each. So it makes it really, really great. So that's $12.47 in my basket. Okay, so for a lot of you that will not be doing anything with boosters, I think at the very least this is a deal you should be doing. So let's look at this deal on its own. I'm just going to show you everything. So either the hand soap or the hand sanitizer, either one, or if you want to mix and match. And this is the promotion to buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. This is valid up until Saturday. And then this is the digital coupon that you have to load. It's a 3 off of 3. So please make sure you have this one loaded. And here's the math if you're doing this one on its own, if you're not doing it with a booster. Grab 3 for $12.47, subtracting that 3 off of 3, you're paying $9.47, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, $3 back from Fetch Rewards. It makes it $1.47 for the 3, or 49 cents per hand sanitizer or soap. If you're not doing this with a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and you can spend it to earn it. But if you're going to do it with a booster, such as 9 back when you spend 40, or a 5 back when you spend 20, you have to pay for the balance with your debit card. Just to show you guys, this is the Fetch Rewards app, and it's 1,000 points back. This ends on the 22nd, so you have to do this by Tuesday to, get your moolah back. And as you can see, I got back my 3,000. And on my account, I have both this hand sanitizer and hand soap, and you can do it up to 5 times. So the next time, I'm going to grab 2 more hand sanitizers and 1 soap. How fun is this? And if you have not signed up for this app, today is the day. When you photograph your first receipt, a pack of gum that you bought last week, or something you bought at Walgreens today, anything, you're given $2 if you use my link in the description. This is a terrific app. I also picked up 2 of these larger Colgates, and I'm always like, I'm not buying toothpaste, and then look what I do. These are $3.99 a pop, so for 2 of them, that's $7.98. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, plus $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2, so it makes it 98 cents for the 2. And this deal is stupendous, this one right here. So the Bulldog is $8.99. This little razor kit is $5.99, and the disposable razors is also $5.99. So for all of this, it's just under 20 bucks. And then we have a $4 digital for this, $4 digital for this, $4 digital for this. Spend 20, get back 5. So for all of this magic that include the 3 hand sanitizers, the 2 toothpaste, and then these 3 items, that's a total of $41.42. I got the cashier to scan my 9 back when I spend 40. I also had the 5 back when you spend 20 digital loaded. And then digitally I had a 3 off of 3 for that. Oh, hey Daisy. We have a $3 off of 2 for the Colgate, and then 4, 4, and 4. I'll show you those digital coupons here in a second. Do you think it's a smart deal, Daisy? Okay, so my balance for all this good stuff is $41.42. I got the cashier to scan my booster of 9 back when I spend 40, plus I had it loaded of 5 back when you spend 20, so 1 digital and 1 paper. The digital coupons that I had was a 3 off of 3 for the Dove, 3 off of 2 for the Colgate, and then a 4, 4, and 4 for the shaving products. Plus, I used one $5 manufacturer register reward as well. So I charged $18.42 to my debit card, and then I got back $14 in the boosters, the 9 back and the 5 back, 5 back for the Dove, $4 back in Walgreens cash for the Colgate, and $5 back for the Schick. So it made this free plus a $12.58 moneymaker for me. And then I also got back $3 from the Fetch Rewards app for the purchase of the Dove. Now, if you do not have that extra $5 register reward, it would be free plus a $7.58 moneymaker. If you did not have that extra register reward, it was $12.58 for me as a moneymaker. If you do not have it, an extra $5 manufacturer register reward, it would be free plus a $7.58 moneymaker. And this is a 100% digital deal, so really fantastic. In this weekend Smart Source, we have the one with the steak. We have these $4 coupons, and they're also on coupons.com, plus they're also around digitally. So if you have an opportunity to get free papers or pick them up at the gas station or wherever you might buy inserts, Walmart, whatever, I would grab a couple of these. They're valid till the middle of March, and I'm sure we'll have more deals to go with these little gems. The item that I picked up was this all pack. This guy is $3.99, so they did jump the price by $1 on him. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, so it drops it down to $2.49. This is one of those like cent-free sort of things, and my husband and my mom both really like this, so whenever they have a deal, even for $2.49, I'll pick that up all day, every day. Cleaners that I found on clearance include this ammonia for 33 cents, and I'm getting 2 quarts of that, so I'll be able to clean till my heart's content. We also have these little fly ribbons in the summertime. Sometimes if you have fly problems, 49 cents each, so that is a really good price point. And then this little Tarnex, it's to clean jewelry, that sort of stuff, and it was 80 cents, so 90% off of all this merchandise. Look in the clearance section, look in the section with, like, you know, cleaner, fly stuff, that good stuff. I mean, this is really good stuff, and this is Raid, it's not some no-name brand. So very delighted with my Walgreens haul. Okay, so over at Walmart, and I haven't been there very much, you know, just busy. They have this foaming Pro Guard, which is a retainer cleanser. I'm sure you could use it for dentures as well. And it's on clearance for $1. And here is the UPC. Now, you would just pay that $1 out of pocket, and IBOTTA has a $1 rebate back, so it basically makes it free, and you can do this up to 5 times. So it worked on this retainer cleaner and this paste as well, and this was also subsequently $1. So be on the lookout for that in the clearance section or possibly in the dental care aisle, but I don't think this product really did well, so that's why they're probably clearing it out. So I did this on Friday, and then I did this morning, and I got 10 products for free. And my mom, I'm sure she can use this as a denture cleaner. She probably would really appreciate it. My husband also wears a night guard, so even, you know, both ways, it's really great to get this like for free, to even try it out. Razor deal over at Walmart. These Schick disposable razors are $5.97 a piece. We have a $4 coupon from the this weekend Smart Source that I just showed you. You'd pay $1.97. IBOTTA has a $2 rebate, making it free, and you could do this twice per transaction. So how wonderful is that? this big Lysol. So it's basically the container and the cleaner, you add the water. Pretty easy concept. This guy is $3.97. I had a 50-cent coupon, I think from the Valentine's Day Smart Source, so I paid $3.47 out of pocket. Shopkick is giving back 600 points, which is $2 and some change, and IBOTTA also has a $1 rebate for this. And then you can also scan this in the store, so it essentially makes it free. You get like 20 or 30 points, so it made it free after everything is said and done. So I am really excited to try this. And then we have the Degree. This guy is $5.47. Coupons.com has a $2 printable for this. So you would pay $3.47 out of pocket. IBOTTA has a $2 rebate. Fetch Rewards also has $2 back when you buy this product if you might have that rebate. So it made it free plus a 53-cent moneymaker. If you are headed out to Walgreens to do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and if you could line up some of this magic over at Walmart, I would absolutely try and make something happen. Now, before I take off, guys, my channel is very close to getting 80,000 subscribers, which is quite a milestone. On Friday, I ran into a coupon vendor at one of the local grocery stores here, and I said, oh my gosh, would you have any extra coupons? And he gave me a couple. He gave me quite a few. So these delicious Starbucks drink coupons, they're valid till August, and these ones for frosting and Pillsbury Magic, and they're good till June. So let's have a little quick giveaway in celebration of getting close to 80,000, and for my wonderful subscribers, we'll have 2 winners, and I'll send you some of these and some of these. Here are the rules. Okay guys, so here's the rules. You got to be a subscriber to my channel. Let me know where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, in the comments write Columbus, Ohio shopper. 1 entry per person, and the winners, the 2 winners, will be picked on Wednesday the 23rd. Good luck, and let's get this channel to 80,000. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.